Question 1. Zach. A taxi outside the airport. Zach took a taxi outside the airport. Question 2. The driver asked where he to go. The driver asked where he wanted to go. Question 3. I like to go to Hotel Roma, replied Zach. I would like to go to Hotel Roma, replied Zach. Question 4. I hope the driver the fastest route, thought Zach. I hope the driver takes the fastest route, thought Zach. Question 5. The weather. Warm and sunny, which made Zach smile. The weather was warm and sunny, which made Zach smile. Question 6. The driver asked if Zach visited Rome before. The driver asked if Zach had visited Rome before. Question 7. This is my first time, Zach said, but a lot about it. This is my first time, Zach said, but I have heard a lot about it. Question 8. The driver shared that the city, even more beautiful at night. The driver shared that the city looked even more beautiful at night. Question 9. If you have time tomorrow, you visit the Colosseum, suggested the driver. If you have time tomorrow, you should visit the Colosseum, suggested the driver. Question 10. By the time Zach arrived, the taxi ride. Almost an hour. By the time Zach arrived, the taxi ride had taken almost an hour. Question 11. Zach. The driver before walking into the hotel lobby. Zach thanked the driver before walking into the hotel lobby. Question 12. The receptionist asked if Zach a reservation. The receptionist asked if Zach had a reservation. Question 13. Zach said the room online a week earlier. Zach said he had booked the room online a week earlier. Question 14. The receptionist said the room ready in 10 minutes. The receptionist said the room would be ready in 10 minutes. Question 15. While. For the room key, Zach took a quick photo of the hotel lobby. While waiting for the room key, Zach took a quick photo of the hotel lobby. Question 16. When Zach entered the room, everything. Perfect. When Zach entered the room, everything looked perfect. Question 17. Zach texted his family that he just arrived at the hotel. Zach texted his family that he had just arrived at the hotel. Question 18. Zach opened the window and the amazing view of the city. Zach opened the window and enjoyed the amazing view of the city. Question 19. Zach stepped onto the balcony, offered a clear view of the Colosseum. Zach stepped onto the balcony, which offered a clear view of the Colosseum. The final question. Zach thought, if I more time, I would explore every street in Rome. Zach thought, if I had more time, I would explore every street in Rome. How many did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes. And thanks for watching.